it's Faye. Welcome back to my channel. So I saw this thing for a while now going like crazy on Facebook, which kind of died down by now. Of course, I got my hands on it. It is this filter tape. We're gonna try to give ourselves a V shape, you know, V shape face like this. Cut. Well, the main idea here is that we are trying to slim and sharpen our jawline. The funny thing is, ever since I've gotten braces for like 8 months now, I don't even know. It's been a long time, 9, 10, I don't even know. My face shape changed drastically. Irrelevant, like hashtag me. But now that my mouth anatomy, is that what it's called? My face is really round now. Like when I smile, it's whatever. Okay, anyways, if you're interested, come through, sis. Before we jump in, I wanted to thank Glambox really fast. The products had reached some of you guys, and I just wanted to give Glambox a really quick thank you by sharing what kind of products you guys got in case you're kind of confused. And remember, I gave you a fair warning. I was like, girl, they're gonna be random. Even I was a little shook. I was confuzzled too. Pads, and you know what? I need some right now. These are actually pads that have 100% organic sanitary cotton from Daily Habit. So that is the brand. I will open it and welcome to the weird side of the internet. Hi, my name is Faye. These pads are known to remove 99% of bacteria, especially the smell, TMI. They don't get itchy, so you would know if you're a girl. Moving on. The next product is actually this cushion W Air Fit Cover Powder Pack, which I have actually opened and used few, but I put it back in the box to show you guys how it looks like because it's pink and it's cute. This is by the brand W Lab, and it's just a powder pad. Wow. Powder packed. It is translucent, so you don't have to worry about, you know, it not fitting your skin type, which I know can be a problem. Works for everybody, even my very peach blush today. The next product before we get into the double chin tape is this, which I again opened it already because I was too curious, and plus the packaging was so cute I had to see what's inside. This is Daily Skin's strawberry milk soap. It comes in a really cute milk carton, you know, you had like in elementary school. The days when you were pure and innocent, I know. And it's just a cute little soap like this. Holy petunia, how adorable. Isn't that just the cutest little thing? It does contain natural strawberry ingredients, which is also a plus. Oh my god, it smells good. Oh, my eye bags. I had no sleep last night, girl. And the next product is from URE Skin, Your Skin, My Skin. These are the Eggplant Master Clear Pads. This is basically a skin soothing exfoliating pad. One side has more of a texture and the other side is just, you know, plain and smooth. And fun fact, if you use daily exfoliating clear pads like these on a normal basis, it helps to reduce pore clogging a lot more than you think. But that is it from Glambox. Thank you again for everyone who entered and got the boxes and products. I hope you guys enjoy these. Without further ado, let's jump into the actual video. Woohoo! This is what the filter tapes look like, or the box at least, and you're supposed to use them like this. You can actually use it to lift your forehead, your jawline. Let's go ahead and open them. I have not seen how they look like. Wow. First of all, look how many you actually get. They look like bandages. Okay, that's not gonna help. I'll figure this out. So it's like literally like packaged like a bandage. Awesome. Oh, I got you. Like, isn't that cool? Look how stretchy and sticky. Oh, they remind me a bit of saran wrap. This is my face before. Double chin. Same with the side. Easy peasy. Gonna lift it. Oh, it's so sticky. Ooh. What? It folds your skin. Is it gonna stick though? That's the issue. Is it because I have makeup on? Oh yeah. If you like pin it behind where there's like no oil. Does it look like I lost 10 pounds? Wait, this is actually really cool. Okay, so what you do is you just stick it to this area, and I'm gonna pull this back, okay, to where my ear is, so there's no makeup. Just look how it tugs. Oh, hold on. Oops. Okay, you see what I'm doing? Oh my god. Okay, not too far. It's not sticking. Give me a chance. Okay, take off the makeup. the makeup. Yeah. Okay, so put one here, pull one back, you stick it. Okay, perfect. Oh, my hero. Did I lose 10 pounds? Oh my god, this is so cool. I didn't really get anything here. Okay, let's give ourselves some manual Botox. Dang it, I have makeup on and I need something to wipe it off. I'll just use my pad. Oh my god. I'm sorry. Don't judge me. Oh, my forehead's too small. Wait. No! It went into my hair. Perfect. You could just block it with your bangs. Like, can you... I'm just trying to show you for testing purposes. Lift up your skin when it feels a little saggy, you know? And that's all. This is for you. The problem is, ow, that you might have to connect it to your hair head. Technically, you don't need that end. Educational. You can cut this side off. Get it? You can't even tell. Bro, you can't. Can you tell the camera? Let's try to lift my chin even more. This chin gotta go. And pull. And snap. Oh, it's so tight. Holy crap. Do you see how sharp this chin is becoming already? Okay, watch this side carefully, okay? I'm gonna stay in one spot. Oh. Do you see that? Did it work? Wow. The thing is, on camera, you can't really tell what's happening. I think. Just say you don't. Just say you can't see it. Okay, good. But in person, you can kind of tell. You can really tell. I'm gonna put it here and I'll pull it across to the other side. Okay, can you see where the tape is? Hey, so what's happening? Okay, so this is where the tape is, and this is how my face technically looks right now. You can't really tell, right? You can't tell at all. I don't think so. Okay, Linda, let's give you some pros and cons. Well, you can see it on camera. You can actually see my skin folded, actually. But you can't even tell up here. Actually, you can. But, like, if you cut this part, you can tell there's a fold here. Okay, listen. You can cover it up. Like, you can't even tell. That was a quick review. It does stick pretty well, and I don't feel like it's gonna snap. I feel like in photos, you can actually, like, kind of blur it, or maybe Photoshop it out, or you can just, you know, take a photo like this. But you can't even tell, you know, because here, like, if you have anything here, just be like... I feel like in photos it'll be okay, but ideally, let's be real. If it snaps, you snap. So what's worse? I guess that is it for this video. I mean, there's really nothing else I can do besides take it off, but like, I don't really want to take it off. Alright, see? Valve. Oh my god. Looks kind of like a glove. I like it a lot. I'm actually gonna stick with my face shape. Don't forget to like this video if you want actual content. And also don't forget to subscribe if you want to. Until next time, I'm sending love. Bye. See ya. Deuces. Drink my juices. Bye.